University, Kokrajhar. This is a very wonderful place of our Kokrajhar district, and obviously this is a prideful college at our Kokrajhar district. That's why we are traveling, just feel relaxation. And very special thing is my big bro come from Bangladesh
Thank
for
you.
visiting our Kokrajhar district or India. That's why we are come together to watch this place and feeling really excitement. I think our journey is like complete. Then we are trying to go back our final destination. And when we are completed the journey to our medical college, that time we are going on the medical Kokrajhar Medical College. When we are completed our journey from Kokrajhar University, Bodoland University, and then we are going on the Kokrajhar Medical College. We are very thankful to Komor Ali Dada, come from Bangladesh.
So nice. Very nice.
Sir, do you want to sit here? Do you want to sit here? Sit. এখানে কি আপনি বসতে চান?
বসতেছে, বসলেই বসা যায় অবশ্য। One to maybe. Very nice.
বাদামও খাওয়া যাবে।
অবস্থার 2 মিনিটের অবস্থান নেব।
তারপরে দেখা হচ্ছে।